Winter storm warning remains in effect until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Snow transitioning over to sleet this evening, and then mixing with freezing rain before ending overnight. Snow and sleet accumulations of 4 to 7 inches and ice accumulations of 1 to 2 tenths are expected. Areas affected include portions of northern and northeastern Massachusetts. Hazardous winter weather conditions are expected through 7 a.m. Wednesday. Expect significant travel impacts this afternoon and evening. Prepare accordingly and plan on slippery road conditions, slow commutes, and reduced visibility.